Could you please speak, ma? The chat window is getting closed all the time.
Hello?
Hama.
Yes, sir. I'm there here.
Yes, yes.
And see your screen. Yeah, actually some problem has happened. So that's why I was not.
Okay.
Today maybe Meenakshi's not there here, right?
She is not well, ma.
I sure. Oh.
She said she needs some more time. So I thought,
Oh.
okay, let me continue with you.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah.
Anyway, 2, 3 classes only, na?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Your Python will get over.
Mm-hmm.
Then I can assign one task. You just finish that particular task, ma, as I said.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Just finish the task. So next week, if you can finish that particular task, then
Okay.
after that week, I can start up your Django framework.
Okay. So I'm in Zango itself, right?
Yeah, I spoke with your counselor. You are there
Mm-hmm.
for Django framework.
Okay, okay. Okay.
Can I go for next
Yeah,
one?
yeah. Yeah, yeah, we'll start.
So monkey patching we have did no ma?
Yeah, we are done with that.
Hmm. And arc parts also we have did. Yes or no? Hello.
This one we didn't do, I think so.
Arc parts ma. Then argument.
Yeah, argument parts. Yeah, we did.
Yeah. So that is done. Decorator.
Yes, decorator is also done.
Okay, fine. Read on heading. How to send a mail using Python. And unit testing is done, Amma.
Unit testing is not done.
Asset.
Asset testing is done, yeah.
That only unit testing. Okay.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Okay. So what I was saying.
How to send a mail using Python.
Yeah, how to send a mail. Any idea, Ma?
No, sir.
Okay. So do you know anything about SMTP protocol?
I know a little bit, but not sure what is the concept.
Okay. SMTP full form is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. Okay.
Okay.
Read on about that. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol.
Okay.
This is a protocol which is designed for performing
Okay.
and sending mails by making use of Python programming. Okay, no? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Next. See, ma. for sending a mail, either any language, either it is not Python or PHP, any language, if you need to send out a mail, you should take the help of simple mail transfer protocol. Okay, no? Yes or no? Hello? Sushma, are you there, ma?
I'm hearing. Yeah.
Yeah, what happened suddenly?
This microphone.
Okay, that's what.
My
So,
kids are asleep, that's why it will be some noise. So that's why I'm muting it.
okay. That's what. We have to take the help of simple mail transfer protocol for sending the mails, ma. Is that clear? Next.
Yes,
At the,
sir.
at the same time, we should have one what you say, mailing gateway and its credentials also. Okay? Yes or no? Are you with me, ma? Hello?
Yes, sir. I'm with you only. I'm hearing.
Yeah. See, that's what. If you need to send out a mail, we should take the help of simple mail transfer protocol, first thing, as well as we need to take the help of our, what do you say, mailing gateway as well as its credentials also. Got my point, right?
Yes.
Now, here you can check it out. First, let me log into this Gmail ID. Here, this is what the Gmail ID which I am using as a mailing gateway for sending the mails. Okay, now first let me log into this and check it out whether that credentials are working or not. That is one of my old students' credentials. Yes, it is logging in. Okay, now? Could you please tell me your mail ID,
Yeah.
so that I can send you the mail? Hello?
So I'm sending on chat.
Okay. Is that mail opened in your, what do you say, mobile or somewhere? So that we can see the result immediately. Mm.
Yes, sir. You can send me.
One sec, man. Okay. Now I'm running this program so that you will get a mail with the message, sample message, something, something. Okay, no?
Okay, sir.
You should get a mail right now. It is still processing. Yeah. Just check it out, ma. Did you go
Yes,
to
sir.
mail?
Yeah, I got it.
Yes. Like that, this program will be using that too. You might have got it from Nagkasa at the 788 at the rate gmail.com. Shashidhar something, right?
Yes, sir. Nagasa. Nagasa.
That is what. So that we will be using as a mailing gateway to send out a mail. Now, see here. First, we are importing SMTP lib. This is what the module what we are importing. Okay, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, we have got a specific mail address. We have got specific password over here. Next, this is what the mail address which I will be using as a mailing gateway with this password. To whom I need to send? I need to send to this particular mail ID. Previously, I was setting your mail ID over here. Right now, I have set his mail ID again over here. Got my point, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
got.
Yeah. Next, I have prepared a message over here. That is sample message something. Okay, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Next, using SMTP lib. SMTP lib is a module. Using this SMTP lib and SMTP function through SMTP Gmail. This is what your mailing gateway server. Okay, na? For every mailing gateway, we will be having some or the other what you say credentials, ma. You can see here your Gmail SMTP will be available on smtp.gmail.com. Is that clear?
If it is yahoo.com, then smtp.yahoo.com. Like that.
Yahoo.com, otherwise ymail.com will be there, ma.
Bible. Okay.
If you Google it, you will get to know.
Okay.
SMTP details of Yahoo, Ymail, Outlook, like this for each and every mailing server, we will be having SMTP credentials separately.
Okay.
Now, for Gmail, this is what SMTP and the port address where this SMTP is running is 587.
Okay.
Clear, right?
This will be available in the Google itself, right, sir?
Yeah, if you Google it, you will get it very easily.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Next, mailing server. I'm starting the transaction with this particular credentials. I'm starting the transaction. I'm logging into this Gmail address with this password. Okay, na? Yes or no?
Okay. We are passing. Okay.
Yeah, with this Gmail address, with this password, I'm logging in. I'm sending the mail from this mail address to this mail address. This is what the message. Clear? Yes or no, ma?
Yes, sir.
Then if I say mail server dot quit, automatically your mailing server will get logged out. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Other than that, nothing else we have did. Just we have imported, we have prepared our SMTP lib, and we have prepared our credentials. We have sent a message. Then we have logged out. Simple. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Can I have the next one?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are going to see next concept. Right on.
Okay,
That
sir.
is setup file creation. Setup file creation. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Now, basically, the program or a project, whatever we have developed, that will not be having proper security mode. Clear, right?
Okay.
If you need to provide security, you should take the help of this setup file creation. That is, you will create a setup file. With that, we'll provide the security. Got my point, right? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes.
How that will happen, let me show you now. This is very important step, ma. I'll log out this. See this one now. What this program is doing?
Opening a file a.txt and it's appending, like adding some text into that. GIBAN text into
Okay,
that.
then we are closing the content.
Closing the file. Yeah.
For this program, I want to create a exe file, setup file. Okay, na?
Okay.
How to create a setup file for this particular program is what we are going to see right now. Fine, right?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. See here now. We have got from CX phrase import setup as well as executable. Okay, na?
Okay.
That means from CX phrase module, we are importing the setup as well as executable. What do you say? Functions.
Okay, sir.
Next, base equal to none. That means, do you have any dependencies for your project? If you have any dependencies for your project, you have to mention that over here. As I am mentioning base equal to none, that means we don't have any dependencies on that. Is that clear? Yes or no?
Okay.
Next, executables. Which file need to be created as an executable file? You can see I'm specifying executable, that is file3.py. This is what my file which need to be considered as executable files, and a set of file need to be created. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, base equal to base. That means base equal to none. I'm not providing any base details over here. That means I don't have any extra libraries. So base equal to none I'm specifying. Okay.
Okay.
Next, I'm importing IDNA packages. What is IDNA package, ma?
No idea, sir.
Write down
Idea.
about IDNA package. This is a package which is meant for providing compatible set of files for any kind of Windows operating system. Okay, no? Yes or no?
So here we are not importing anything, right? So how can we use this package?
You don't need to import now. By default, it will be available under CX freeze. Okay, no?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Next, options equal to build underscore exe. Next, packages we are mentioning. What all the packages need to be considered? I'm specifying packages as IDNA package. Clear, right? Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So options. What is the options which I want to consider? I want to consider build underscore exe with the packages. Finally, with these options, I'm creating a setup file. Setup file whose name is test. You can check it out. Setup file name is test. Options you can check it out. I have taken options as build underscore exe. Is that clear?
Okay, sir.
Options equal to this options I'm passing build underscore exe with the packages, and version. How many times you are creating a setup file? This is first time we are creating. So we will specify version 1. It's your wish, ma. It's just like if you are providing any updates for your project every time, versions will be keep on updating. Okay, na?
Okay.
Next, description. You can see I have provided some just simple information about my project over here in the description. Next, executables, which file need to be considered for creating a setup file. I'm saying please consider this file3.py. Okay, na? This
Okay.
executables, that is file3.py to be considered. That's what I'm mentioning. Any doubts so far?
No, good, sir.
Okay. Now see here, ma. Observe this one. In this location, do you have any folder with the name build, ma?
No.
Okay, fine. Now observe this folders itself. How that folders will get generated. All these things. I'm opening command prompt as admin, ma. You log in as admin, okay, na? Because it will be having limited permissions, so only.
Okay, sir.
Then I will go to this location. That's it. Okay, Nama? If I
Okay,
execute
sir.
this one, automatically you will get one build folder generated here. You can check it out. Wait for a while, it generates. See? Clear, Nama?
Yes, sir.
Ah. So copying everything, it is successful. As we have logged in as admin, everything got generated and everything got executed successfully. Now build folder. Get into build folder. See, it has created Windows 32-bit version where it will be compatible for all kinds of machines. So only. Clear, Nama?
Okay, sir.
This is what your exe files. See? Now, if I share this program to you, you will directly click on this. It will get executed and generates the output. See? It is generating the output. It is writing the content G1 also. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
But what is the logic behind that particular setup file? Nobody knows. That is how the security is all about. Clear, right?
In that setup, we actually set for call with the file A, right? So it's
Yes,
creating an
ma'am.
instance of that file, and the output is
That
displaying that.
that only in file3.py we have written this logic, right? For this we have created setup file. Correct, na?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
That only. What is the logic? Suppose for a new person, what is the logic behind that setup file? Nobody knows. For us, we got to know because we have seen the code. Correct, right?
Yes.
That's it. Any doubts so far?
No, I'm good.
Can I have the next one?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have discussed about our what do you say, setup file creation, all those things. Now we'll go for next one now. We have got very few topics left out now.
Okay.
Write down about, where is this? Write down about XLRD module now. Okay, now?
Okay, sir.
Write down about XLRD. This is a module which is meant for reading the content from a old formatted Excel sheets. So only the name Excel RD came into picture. Excel RD stands for Excel read. Clear, right?
Okay, sir.
Now, and this is specially designed for, what do you say, old projects. Okay,
Okay.
old projects in the sense old Excel sheets. That is XLS, XLT, these kind of files. Clear, right? Yes, or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yeah.
Okay. Now you can see we are importing XLRD over here. Then I'm pointing to one particular file, that is a.xlt. Where is this? Mhm. Some old fashioned Excel file. Okay, na? It has got some content over here. Hello. Now here I'm pointing. This is what my location. Then XLRD dot open workbook. I'm opening the workbook available in that location. Is that clear? Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
Yeah, I'm opening the workbook. Next, workbook by sheet underscore by underscore index. That means in that particular workbook, I'm pointing to the sheet whose index is 0. That will be available under sheet variable. Is that clear?
Okay.
With that sheet variable, cell value 0th row, 0th column. Okay. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
In that sheet, 0th row, 0th column, what is the value available? See, you have seen, right? It was holding a hello.
Yes. Hello.
That we will be retrieving, we are printing here. It is just for reading the content from that location. Python. See, it is reading the content from that location and it has printed over here. Clear, right?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Any doubts so far?
Can you show again the program so that I can?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Mm. So what are we doing over here, ma? Could you please guess?
Maybe we are adding a new row and new column to the sheet.
Check it out, ma, properly.
That's what we are writing. WB write in a binary into that sheet index number 0. Hello?
What else?
And again we are printing that row and column.
That's it. Anything else, ma?
No, sir, that's it, I think.
Okay.
Yes, sir, that's it. Maybe file
Here,
open.
what I'm trying to do, I'm pointing to a.xlt, ma. Okay, na?
Okay, that file.
Okay, in that zeroth sheet, that means first sheet I'm pointing. Then sheet dot number of rows. How many rows are there? How many columns are there in that particular sheet? I'm retrieving.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Number of rows. Okay.
Huh. Here I'm retrieving number of rows and columns available in that particular sheet. Any doubts so far?
No, sir. Okay. So with the WB, we are writing nothing, just retrieving the values.
Yes, we are just retrieving the rows and columns.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay, sir. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And one more important thing over here, ma. This will retrieve the number of rows and columns which is holding content only. Okay, na?
Only the content part. Okay.
Yeah, how
Only
many
first
rows
cell.
and columns is holding the content? Only that particular count it will retrieve. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Can I proceed with next one? Let me show you. See, one and one. One row, one column of data is available. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Can I go with next one?
Yeah.
Okay. What about this? What are we doing over here? Yes, ma'am.
We are retrieving the values one by one according to the cell number, column number.
Okay.
0 is the position of the cell. From there, we are retrieving the value and printing it out.
That's it.
We are opening a file in the 0th position and we are taking a cell at cell value at the zeroth position, 0 comma 0, and we are passing that range into the for loop and printing it out.
Okay, let me show you. See here now. This is holding the data in the form of columns fashion. Correct, Nama?
Yes, sir.
Multiple columns of data. It is
Zeroth row, first row.
yeah,
Second,
zeroth row. We have got
row.
multiple columns of data. Correct, right?
Yeah. Mm.
Now, say here location, and we are opening the file in the zeroth sheet, zeroth row, zeroth column. We are retrieving how many columns of data is there. First zeroth column in that sheet, zeroth row, first column. Sorry, zeroth row, zeroth column. What is the value? Zeroth row, first column. Zeroth row, second column. Like this, each and every row, respective columns, whatever the value is there, that we are retrieving and we are displaying here. See? Clear, Nama?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Can you ever explain? Otherwise, is that clear?
No, it's okay, sir. We can go for next one.
Okay. So what about this? What are we doing over here?
The same operation only, but we are here retrieving the rows value.
Okay, fine. Previously, we were retrieving the columns of zeroth row. Right now, we are retrieving rows of zeroth column. Clear, Nama?
Yes, sir.
That is what the difference.
Okay, sir.
Can you ever explain?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about this? What are we doing?
We are retrieving the value at the position 1. The row value 1. First row.
Okay.
We are printing it out. Here the column is 0 and the row is first row value.
Okay. Fine. Let me run this and show you more.
Okay, sir.
Fourth, right? That one. Fine. See here. We are we are opening a2.xlt. We are opening the file from that location. In that zeroth page, zeroth row, zeroth column, I'm placing the cursor. Okay, no? Yes or no?
Okay. Yeah.
In that page, first line, that means first row, whatever the content is there, That I am retrieving and I am displaying here.
Okay, here the column value is also retrieved, right?
Yeah, that's what. In that first row, whatever the column values are there, everything will be fetched over here.
Oh, okay, sir.
Can you have next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are we doing over here? Check out the module name. It is different module.
We are opening a workbook, and in that we are opening first sheet, adding a sheet to the existing one, and we are just writing the content A, B, C, D in the location specified. First row, 0th column A, and second row, 0th column B, that wise. And we are saving the file.
What is XLWT?
This is a write mode, like Excel sheet writing module. Before it was Excel sheet read module,
Hmm.
and now it's Excel sheet with write module.
Right. This is XLWT, which is meant for opening the file in write mode, where you can write the content into that particular file. Whichever the file you want to point out, you can point and you can write the content into the. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have imported that XLWT workbook. Then for workbook, we have created an object WB sheet1 equal to workbook dot add sheet. I'm adding one sheet whose name is first sheet. Clear na?
Okay.
Then within that sheet, first row, 0th column, I'm writing the content. You can check it out. A. Then second row, 0th column, I'm writing B. Like this, each and every specific row and column, I'm writing some or the other content. Then I'm wb.save. I'm saving the file as alphabets.xls. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
8 out of a?
No, I'm good.
Okay. Finally, if I execute this program, is that we'll get this file. The content will be like this. Clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So what are we doing over here? Yes, ma'am.
We are taking some style as a bold and writing data and the style in 0th row and 0th column
Hmm.
with the sheet name Monica.
That's it.
Mm, and the file is saved in the output.xls file.
Okay. What is that font bold one, ma?
Mm,
That is
that I don't
only
know.
for CSS
No,
effect we are applying, ma.
sorry.
That is one type of CSS effect we are applying. That means your content will look little bit bolded. That means dark black color it will display. Clear, Nama?
What does that number 1 indicates?
That is a 1 pixel size.
Oh, okay. Size. Okay.
Clear? Can you
Yes,
guys?
sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. We can go.
Now let me run this and show you. Output.xls. Okay. Got my point, Nama?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. As I said, this data content will be written with this style in 0th row, 0th column. What is the style? You can check it out. Font bold 1. So font bold 1, if I specify, automatically your content is displaying like a bolded fashion. Correct, right?
Yes.
Okay. What about this one? What are we doing over here?
We are taking a bold of red color and writing that Monica name in that style and storing the result as a.
Okay. Here
Hello.
we are displaying Monica in bold 1, red color. That's it. Okay, now?
Yes, sir. Okay.
In result.xls, if I show you, see, 0th row, 0th column, I'm displaying Monica. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So in the place of Monica, whichever data we want to insert, we can insert in the that fashion, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
What are we doing over here? Yes, ma'am.
No, I'm not getting it, sir. Actually, we are taking a path of that location of the file, and I'm not getting it.
Okay. Here we are pointing to that particular demo.xlsx. Okay, this is OpenPy Excel, ma'am. Written about OpenPy Excel. This is not Excel RD, XLT. Okay, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is a module which is meant for performing operations. Okay, no?
Okay.
This is meant for performing operations on all types of Excel sheets, ma'am. Okay, no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Either if you want to read the content, write the content, everything, if you want to do it, you can do it over here. Open by Excel. And this is highly preferred for latest documents. Fine, right?
Oh, okay.
So what is this Open by Excel? How to perform operations on this in tomorrow's session? I'm going to show you. Correct?
Okay. Okay, yeah.
Very few programs, most probably tomorrow itself it will get over. Tomorrow what time? I'll ping you in WhatsApp, okay?
Yes, sir, yeah.
So that we can start it up and we can finish it off early. Okay?
Okay. Yeah.
Fine, ma. See you tomorrow.